Hey Camden, today Soda City Living is in your town. We join you from Dental Care of Camden, where patients here have been seeing this dental office for over 40 years. And we're gonna learn more today. Take a look.
So, you made the comment when you came in, the office looked a little bit different than most offices. We are wildlife habitat. We've designed the office. When I was thinking about a design for the office, I liked the architecture at Hilton had, the nice, relaxed feeling. So I designed it after that, saved all the trees around that I could, and then I wanted our rooms to have windows so I could watch the birds, squirrels, whatever happened to be out there. And if you got 11 by 11 room and you got two people leaning over you and all that, it gets a little claustrophobic. So I think this kind of takes that away from the equation. So that was our plan. And of course we got our little therapy dog now. People like to come in, see her, and just try to make it a relaxing procedure. Well, everything, you know, if you have people that are so anxious and everything, when you look at them, it hurts and all that, they don't want to come back. So we want them to come back. So we want them to feel relaxed. We've tried to, incorporate some wood into the inside of the building, which I think is a relaxing thing. And mostly just having the windows to look out and don't feel trapped. So all our staff got, well, two of my front office are out today, but we've got 3 hygienists, 3 assistants, and 3 front office people, and they all are great with people. So that's the first requirement. Well, I got out of the Air Force after a couple of years. I had a little office up where Walgreens is now. And so, you get out of school, you don't have any money, you rent a building, buy a bunch of equipment, and hope that somebody will show up. So, and they did. It's been a good run. Camden's a great town to live in, to work in, and so it's been great. We had Dr. Branham show up about 1.5 years ago at our office, and we are really happy to have him. So I have a succession plan now. We do family. In fact, I just had the 4th generation in last week of one of our early patients. Had our grandchild in. So, that's kind of exciting. And that's one of the good things about general dentistry. Pretty much every 6 months, you may not know all these people, but you get to know them. So every 6 months, you're seeing these people, catching up with them, talking to them about their families. So I'd say that's some of the specialists, maybe you don't have that feature, but that's been an important thing to us. I think we counted up, there are like 268 years of experience of the staff that we have here. So fortunately, most of them that have come, they stayed. So we're happy with that. And it helps the patients, to see somebody that they know when they come in. It always makes you feel good when people trust you and think that you've done a good enough job for them to come back. So yeah, that's important.
So I'm from Lugoff originally, so right here up the road. It was a really big honor to be able to come back home and be a dentist in my community, give back to the people that raised me and brought me up. So I'm really blessed to be here, and I went to Clemson for undergraduate and then went to MUSC in Charleston for dental school. So I've been in the state my entire life. I went up to the upstate, then down to the low country, and now I'm right back here in the middle to serve the people of Kershaw County. I had heard of Dr. Carson before I came to work here. I actually shadowed at his office before I went to dental school. So he was actually one of my first experiences in the dental world, and so it was a perfect, sort of poetic in order to come back and learn from him and be a dentist with him. So absolutely. So Dr. Carson has taught me a lot. It's been really cool to have this sort of You know, older generation of dentists and younger generation of dentists kind of working together to solve problems. There's a lot of things that he's taught me that I would never have considered to be an option and never considered to be something that dentistry could achieve with patients. And he's been a really big part of my education, even continuing on after dental school. We take care of people of all ages. We've got people who are as old as 99 years old, and we've got patients as young as 3 or 4. So it's definitely challenging to keep up with who needs what. Maybe this patient needs a denture, maybe this patient needs a filling, this young patient needs one of their baby teeth to, you know, finally come out. But it keeps us on our toes and it keeps us invested in our patients, so it's fun. Absolutely, so we see entire families of people, we see our own families, and that's one of the nice things about working here at home is that I get to take care of my mom, my dad, the people that take care of me. And so we have a very family-oriented vibe here at Dental Care of Camden. You can even look around the office and it feels like you've come to visit family and talk to family. It doesn't feel like a dental office, which is a really great thing for our patients. We offer a ton of services here at Dental Care of Camden. We do everything from the small with fillings and crowns to the large, big changes for people like getting a denture for the first time. We also offer extractions and emergency services, which is hard to find sometimes in dental offices around here. So we're proud to be able to take care of our patients from start to finish. So several of our patients have special needs, and we also are equipped at this office to help with people who are wheelchair bound. So we have a ramp in the front of our office to allow easy access to the building, and we take a lot of pride in being able to serve everybody in our community, whether they be able or disabled. The main thing that I always say to people is, you know, when you go to your dentist's office, you may be a little bit nervous because of the sterile environment that you're in. Everything is all white, everything. It seems like it's been sterilized. It doesn't feel homey. So one of the things that I'm proud to offer here is that we have this nice environment, nice location. We've got these beautiful windows in front of the operatory so you can take a look at nature, see some of the birds and squirrels going around outside, and just feel at ease. Feel like you're sitting on your back porch at home. So that really sets us apart from the crowd. You just don't feel like you're sitting in a dentist's office here. You feel like you're sitting with family. We are Dental Care of Camden right here in Camden, South Carolina. We're on Dicey Ford Road, 400 Dicey Ford Road to be exact. If you need an appointment, feel free to give our front desk a call and we will get you set up as soon as we're able.